Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening messages on your Apple Watch and picking the conversation you need. This gets you straight into composing. Once done, use the digital crown to scroll threads and swipe left or right to reveal recent replies. Make sure to tap the plus icon to start a new message when needed, or press firmly on a thread for quick options. These first steps put you in control fast and reduce unnecessary tapping. Now compose. Pick scribble, dictation, emoji, or quick replies depending on speed and privacy. When you use voice to text, speak naturally and pause for punctuation. Once recorded, review and tap to edit with scribble if corrections are required. For richer replies, send digital touch sketches or your current location. These add context without pulling out your phone. Also, leverage canned replies for routine responses. They save seconds and keep the conversation flowing smoothly. Finish by reviewing the message on screen and tapping send. A small checkmark or delivered note confirms success. If a message doesn't send, make sure your watch is connected via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and that the paired iPhone is nearby and unlocked. As a quick troubleshooting tip, restart the watch or toggle airplane mode. These actions refresh connections and resolve most send failures. If problems persist, recheck iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.